Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 is updated and you have admin rights, because some apps need them. Next, pick a compatible video file like MP4 or WMV and keep it under a few hundred megabytes to avoid lag. Once done, install your chosen Wallpaper app, Wallpaper Engine, for integrated control, or use VLC for a lightweight approach. And grant any permissions it requests so the app can set the desktop background. You now configure the app. Open Settings and set playback to loop so the wallpaper is continuous, and choose Performance Mode to limit CPU or GPU usage. Then add your video file and set scaling or position so it fills the desktop without stretching. Make sure to test on each monitor if you have more than one. Also adjust audio and pause on full screen options so sound doesn't play during games and the wallpaper suspends to save battery when needed. You finish by applying settings and optionally enabling Start with Windows so the video wallpaper loads automatically. After that, monitor system load. If you see high CPU or stutters, lower quality or frame rate in the app and switch to a shorter loop. If the wallpaper disappears or reverts to a static image, make sure the app has permission to run in the background and check Windows Focus Assist or full-screen apps that may block custom wallpapers. One key fix is re-enabling the app in startup and running it as administrator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.